Almost. So I've got a big oxypropane torch. You get it absolutely red hot. You can put it round there and actually physically just bend the tube without it dimping.
And that's because of the sand inside.
Yeah, it effectively turns it into a solid bar. That much for getting something red hot.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't travel too far.
How does it trigger the alarms then?
Just pure heat. The heat just comes from when you hit. The heat just goes straight up in the air when it hits the roof.
And it's got damaged.
Well, because in period, all the other side is fiberglass. So, I'm sure in the fiberglass and the fiberglass, new materials put in, that's where they're welded with, that's the end.
No, I'm fine. I mean, that's what you do. Yeah.
First
Yeah, I've not done that yet. Rich, have you done that yet?
So it looks pretty close to finish.
This time it's in April.
It's later.
Yeah. Just leaves us late this year.
Yeah. So,
Don't leave till about the 20th.
but it is a good meeting. Yeah. It's mainly saloon cars, isn't it? And whatever.
That's fantastic when it's such a time. What is the intention?
Well, that
the original brief was it was going to be raced, but the latest thing we've heard is going to Beaulieu. So
he's organised to go to Beaulieu with it.
it's a bit
It's
of
part
Beaulieu.
Well,
That just sounds so nostalgic. I mean, of course, you can go to any historic racing here, but it's...
well, because in his day, wasn't there that silly sign? And things of the norms there. Well, just stick a body on, the guy can run around the block. Right. Right,
Christopher, I used to work with him.
sorry?
I used to work with Christopher.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then equal, a lot of people have been trying to bomb. Chassis number 1 is an original works car, going on car, because chassis 1 and 2 were built by the factory. 2, that's the McLaren's car, was M6 and various is the next. But this one was pretty original, well, for Americans. Anyway, Chris heard of us and went over on the grounds that they thought, the owners thought the car was going back from plant. It wasn't. It was actually Chris and Tony. Came over from America and they'd been totally Americanised. They got floating discs and all sorts of rubbish in it, and very pretty work as a race car. There was reams of paperwork about oil surge in the engine, and they tried a hamburger sump. They tried some. What's that? Right. Anyway, took the whole car apart totally, and all the internal panels were nice and fixed. Chris has got M6 at the moment, and we'll take it off after we're doing it. But because the FIS and the SACO, but they don't know exactly what is that? Chris has got that back at the moment. Plus the fact 10-15 laps because it should have got that, which I think is much nicer and prettier than proper blind. Originally, what they wanted was it painted red nose and tan. Well, I went on silk. That's as well.
I mean, I think it was right at that time you was
in red as it originally was as well. Was it leaving that?
And then
originally painted back in the day. Whereas that's leave the interior of wood and the paint from the exterior coming in as well.
And I would say that because he depends how people.
Yeah, want us to
we were saying it's in the
artworks. So you're the first people to see it actually going under its own steam.
Very good. It sounds very tractable, Guy.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's very slippery on this concrete.
Yeah.
But, no, it drives nicely. The throttle is very, very light, which makes it a little bit tricky. But once you get used to that, it seems.
It looks
nice.
lovely.
Yeah. No,
By the time that's all painted, it will be a beautiful car.
by the time we get on the circuit, I think it's going to be nice. It feels nice and easy to drive. Everything's light. So. Yeah,
the tyres, are they look like Formula Ford tyres.
Formula Junior, yeah, same size as Formula Junior would run. Dunlop L sections.
What were Formula Ford 1600? You know, the tyres around the beginning of the 80s.
Yeah, they were slightly different, but they were a Dunlop, similar sort of Dunlop. Yeah. So this is the old sort of 60s pattern Dunlop.
And those are easy to get. I mean, somebody's.
These are, yes, yeah. So it's Formula Junior and Lotus 23s run the same tyres, Formula Junior and so on. So they're quite commonly raced. So we get the Dunlop L sections easily.
Just look up at me if you would. So when you paint this, will you get the same colour on the aluminium as the wood?
Luckily, I can say it's not my problem.
No, nobody
But
would
it
probably
could
care.
be,
but-
yeah, it could be. You're right. There could be a slightly different, but I suppose by the time it's primed and so on, it shouldn't affect it. But
What, was there a logic to this?
I don't know. On the GTs, there is actually the chassis is moulded, has a sort of a wooden moulding that fits that. So whether it's something they intended to do but never actually got round to finishing on this car, I don't know.
Right.
As I say, on the GTs, this sort of awkward windscreen piece is actually a moulding in the chassis. It's a rounded piece on the chassis, so the body doesn't have to fit underneath it.
Right.
And this is actually moulded into the side of the tub. So it's sort of a bit more finished off. But all we can assume with this was that it was the prototype. It was potentially not 100% finished in some respects.
Right. What's the dial right at the bottom right there?
You've got
That's not an important one. Behind the gear stick.
this one is fuel pressure.
Oh, so it was pretty important to see.
Yeah, well, the again, we've got a period set of photos with all the gauges, and that would have been an ammeter.
I have to own up to that.
Right. I was wondering.
Because well, originally, because I had to design and build the gear linkage for the car, and I built it, designed it all and the ratio and changed direction and everything else, put it all in, and then realised that on the original photo, one of the original photographs, there was actually a blister on the back there because the gear linkage is too far back. But then looking at the original photograph of this car, it didn't have a blister on the back, so it was then, right. So I cut a hole ready to put the blister on. And then Roger said, we can't do that, we've got to rethink it all. So I took all the linkage apart and rethought it all and modified the back of the gearbox a bit and shortened that in and shortened everything else in and managed to get it in far enough so it now misses the back of the bodywork. So that's just got to be welded back in and hidden. So that was a technical cock-up, basically.
Can I just take a group picture here with
Yeah. Yeah, that's the original body.